Hey, you found day tripping on a budget. Wait, hold on before you judge it. My impression suggests you would like to spend less, keeping costs low, but you still want to go on little journeys and outings there and about, exploring trails that are exciting and finding new routes. But before we get this show on the road and we start the vibe, please show me some love and click the subscribe. Thank you for being courteous and kind. Now grab your gear and leave your worries behind. Let's hit the road and see what we may find, discovering new sights close to home, taking trips to other places just to roam. My forte is trail path and streams, grass, dirt, and lakes are the field of my dreams. For a few, this may not be your cup of tea, but fresh air and singing birds is good for me. Any thoughts, concerns, or ideas about content, it helps if there are a few lines dropped in the comments. Ask me something or a couple of hellos. Tell me how you like any of the videos. Last but not least, enjoy every day. Take time to relax. There's nothing more to say except like, subscribe, and share. Okay.